Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
No, I'm playing down. Can I see? Excuse me, brother. Can you help me out? I'm not sure. That way. General, straight down. Right. Damn, they're just shooting me down. Watch out. Whoa. Could've.
Mine's on the floor.
You could've honked, dude.
For what? You have a mirror. You need to use it. See the white lines on the floor? Stay in your lane.
Hey, dude, sorry. I was actually. No, I wasn't drinking, dude. I was asking a guy.
Okay, let's go look there. Stay in your lane.
I don't know. You want to pick up the thing?
I wanted to, but it's fine.
I was not aware.
I've seen it.
So his like tire smacked it right here. That's it's actually warped. I'm gonna take off her cap. She's pissed. So yeah.
Cloak, a jerkin of boiled leather, and a pot helmet at his feet were his only armour. At sea, heavy steel was as like to cost a man his life as to save it, he believed. Sir Imry and the other high-born captains
probably get shrimp at Walmart too, you know. And see if they have stop Bob. You never know what's going to be somebody's last reason. And I'm in the car. Do it when you're in the car by yourself.
It's starting to come down here.
Exactly. Now I got some housework I need to take care of.
Whoa!
Whoa is right. What the? Oh my God.
Oh my God, that would be amazing. Wouldn't that be cool? But honestly, I think I suffer from the same thing. Like there are things that I think, okay.
That's what we were told, is that Inkit had a misunderstanding of what this job consisted of.
Because everyone else there is pretty tenured, right? Like, everyone else has pretty much, been there for
He's
years.
He's gonna pull me over for not merging properly. I can't believe he's merging me over.
For not merging properly?
That was a merge thing. Should be fun.
What the? What the actual? Dude? God! Like, what the f is wrong with you?
The one thing that you can't ask of the person that you've settled down with is you can't ask them to give up the things that they're passionate about, and you also can't judge the things they're passionate about. Meaning, if your husband is super passionate about once a month...
Fine, we'll take our Griffin with us. Okay, great. All right, let's get your Michael, head over to the Hill Giant, and head east, yada yada.
What are you doing?
The boobs and tree.
Do you want to take a ball?
Hello. Good afternoon. My name's Officer from the Jacksonville Police Department. Reason I'm stopping is that you didn't stop back there at Hill Street. Over to the stop sign.
That's all.
That's not what my video shows.
Whoa, what the f? Wow.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.